Hi everyone, I'll show you how to reset a MacBook to factory settings, erase everything off your MacBook. So you want to turn it off completely, make sure it's off, and then you'll need to hold Command and R while you powering the computer on. I'll show you in a little bit as soon as it's going to be off completely. Okay, so now you need to hold Command and R and press power. So just do it all at once. Keep holding. You can release power, but you need to hold Command and R. Until you see this Apple logo. Now you can release and just wait until it's gonna get you to the reset option. Okay, here it is. Now click this one. I should get you to this screen. As you can see, OS X utilities, and then click on disk utility and press continue, and then you'll see this screen pops up. You click right here on whichever name it is, whichever SSD you want to format. So I want to do this one. I only have one. Some people have a couple SSDs. So once you pick this one, you can click on erase and then go down here. It's gonna delete everything. It'll take a little bit of time. Okay, now it's done. It's completely new. Now you'll need to set up everything, pretty much reinstall OS. You'll need to hook it up to Wi-Fi to do this option. So once you connect to Wi-Fi, you can pretty much install new OS. I have a SSD I'm gonna use. It has the newest pretty much software on it. But this one is quicker, but I don't know which one it's gonna install. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.